Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Eniola and I do all things skincare, beauty and lifestyle. If today is your first time seeing this face, please make sure you subscribe and watch this video to the end. Also give me a huge thumbs up because you're going to enjoy it. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Notifications gang. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be talking about something really important. I've talked about it before, but today I've been so stopped up. I woke up this morning and I just thought to myself, okay, this content is really important for me to actually dish it out there and let you guys know my thoughts, because I'm tired of always saying buy this body wash, buy that body wash, even though I also review skincare products. And then what if it's all just hype and then you buy it and then you don't see changes or you don't see results? What if? Do you understand what I'm saying? So today I decided to classify 4 different types of body washes that I've tried in the past. We are going to grade it. We are going to do exactly what we did for the body lotions for the body wash, and that is thanks to one of the comments that you guys actually dropped on my last body lotion review video. A kind subscriber actually said, Eniola, can you help us out? Your review is very thorough and please help us to save our money by by telling us the kind of body washes that we should actually spend money on. And can I just thank my brother for giving me this massive t-shirts or shirts, and that is exactly what I'm wearing. Okay, all right, so the very first one I want to talk about is the Dr. Teals Vitamin C body wash. And from the name vitamin C, you'll be expecting some sort of brightening, right? But I hate to burst your bubble. This product is very overhyped, but now I'm going to break it down for you so you can know what to expect, so you not just be thinking, okay, okay, but I already have it, I don't know what to do. Calm down. So the Dr. Teals Vitamin C body wash, honestly, the first time I tried it, the texture of the formula is superb, but in terms of weight, I think it's too thin. It's more of like a gel instead of like a body wash, in my own opinion. It's a shower gel. Do you understand? So honestly, when I'm trying to have my bath with the Dr. Teals Vitamin C body wash, I have to use a lot of the lotion, put it inside a sponge or a loofah for it to really lather up. It doesn't lather up really fast because of how thin and how thin the texture of the body wash or the shower gel itself is. So you have to use a lot to get it to lather up. And I don't know if you're like me, if the stuff is not really it's not lathering up, I don't feel good. I don't feel like, okay, I'm actually cleansing or pampering myself. I need it to foam. I like the foam. Please lather up a lot so that my body can feel clean. So in my own opinion, the Dr. Teals Vitamin C body wash is not really doing that, in my own opinion. You have to use a lot for it to lather up, and that just means that it will be consuming quite a lot of products. The very next thing that I would like to talk about when it comes to the Dr. Teals Vitamin C body wash is that it does just a little bit of mild brightening. I will not be expecting, I don't want you to fall victim of having so many high expectations from this body wash and then you now see it is not really giving what it is supposed to give. So this body wash does not do a lot of brightening. It's just mild brightening. Do you understand? Just a little. Honestly, if I have to put it under a percentage, 25% brightening. Do you understand? So don't build castles in the air expecting this body wash to be so brightening. Another thing is it does not give that slippery sensation on the body. It does not give that slippery sensation on the body when you are done using it. And that means that, okay, it is a bit drying. So you'd be expecting that when you are done using this particular body wash or any body wash, your skin should feel a bit moisturized and hydrated. No, this Dr. Teals Vitamin C body wash does not give that encapsulating, hydrating, moisturizing feel to your skin after using it. And I don't know if you're like me, sometimes at night when I use my shower gels or my body washes, I don't want to go in with a moisturizer. Do you understand what I'm saying? But if you're using the Vitamin C Dr. Teals body wash, you have to go in with a moisturizer. Otherwise, you're going to wake up the next morning feeling really dry and starved of moisture. So it is those peculiar things for me. But here are some of the good things about this body wash. It has a lot of volume. And I mean that when it comes to the quantity that is in a tube or a bottle, it's about 700 ml. and the price is so convenient. I think for 700 ml I got it for 4,008. Honestly, if when it comes to that, they are doing a very good job. Seriously, the volume is a lot and the price is very, very affordable. So in my own opinion, what kind of skin type can use this particular body wash? Oily to combination. If your skin is normal, if your skin is dry, it will further dry you out when you are done using it, except otherwise you go in immediately with a moisturizer. But if your skin is oily or combination, then that means your skin produces enough moisture already to be able to what? Retain its moisture after you are done using the body wash. So I will leave the grading up here. I think I'll just give this body wash a 70% grade, but I'll leave you guys to judge whether it's a hit or it's a miss. Which one do you think, based on all these things that I've talked about? But 70% sounds about right. The very next one I want to talk about is the Palmolive berry body wash, and also it actually comes in a range of different products, but I know this particular one, I used to see it in the store, the berry one. And this body wash, did I also mention that the Dr. Teals body wash does not have a long-lasting fragrance? I was expecting it to scent up and to keep my bathroom smelling fresh for a long period of time, but the Dr. Teals body wash does not do that. But this Palmolive berry body wash or shower gel has a very strong and beautiful floral berry fragrance that just keeps your bathroom smelling fresh for a long period of time. As in, your siblings will come and use the bathroom after you and they'll be wondering, sis, what do you use to make this bathroom smell very nice? It actually smells as if you spray air freshener into the bathroom. I am not joking. I completely love that about this particular body wash. As also, it also has a very thick to creamy like texture. Instead of being so thin, it's a bit creamy. Do you understand? So that means that you don't get to use a lot for it to lather up. This particular body wash lathers up a lot. Like, imagine lathering it up in the bathroom, and then the fragrance is everywhere and it just smells like heaven made of berries. That is exactly what this Palmolive berry body wash does. Now, this is the thing, it is very slippery on the skin. It gives the skin this slippery sensation. So sis, if you're expecting that you'll use only one bucket, you better fetch 2 buckets of water for this Palmolive berry body wash. It is very slippery on the skin, but the after effect of using the body wash is that it gives a very moisturizing and hydrating feel to the skin when you're done. So that means that once you're done at night using it all over your body, you don't have to necessarily cream your body or anything. You can go to bed and still wake up feeling a bit moisturized, and that's a good thing about this particular body wash. So it has a volume of about 500 guys, 500 ml, and it retails for 4,400 naira, and this is conga price. So that means that if you go into the market, you should get it for cheaper, but it is 4,400 naira and it has 500 ml. So based on my own opinion, I would actually give this particular body wash about 75%, because I feel like it is doing what it is supposed to do as a body wash: fragrance, pamper, care, and stuff. So which particular skin type can use this? If you're normal, thick, dry, thick, which other skin type now? I think about those two. If you're oily, I would ask you to stay away from this particular body wash because it's very, very hydrating. So you might feel a bit more greasy than usual. And then if you're combination, you can give it a try. Yes, you can actually try it. So yeah, those are my reviews on the Palmolive berry body wash. I want to talk about a soap now. I couldn't find another body wash to review because I don't really try a lot of body washes, but I honestly put up a picture of the Dove Creamy Bar, which is the next product I want to talk about, on my Instagram page, I think last week, and then I got a lot of hype. You guys know what I talk about when people are saying, it worked for me, I love it, this, that, and I was really encouraged because I got just one bar of the Dove Creamy Bar, this particular one here, only for me to get home and then I use it and I was sorely disappointed. Sis, I was very disappointed. I'm not even going to lie to you. It was a terrible situation. I was not expecting it to flop as much as it did. Like, this Dove Creamy Bar does absolutely nothing to the skin. And number one, it is not a facial soap. I realized that quite a lot of people were commenting on this post on my page. We're talking about it. I use it for my face. It is not a facial soap. Do not think any bar soap can replace or do the work of a facial cleanser. This is not a facial soap. As a matter of fact, I would think, in my own opinion, it's a toilet soap. Just a soap that you use as pre-cleansing, or when you just want to quickly shower, you're rushing somewhere. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? A soap that you just quickly use on your body to just do small cleansing. When we are talking about pampering, self-care, getting into the zen, do you understand? Feeling heavenly, nurtured, this is not the soap for you. I kid you not. This particular Dove Creamy Bar, not at all. Do you understand what I'm saying? But it is gentle on the skin, and I think that Dove tries to do gentle skincare products. So it is gentle on the skin. It is not hydrating at all. Honestly, after using it on my body, I had to go in immediately with my body lotion. It is not hydrating. It does not also lather up as much as you would be expecting a bar soap to lather up. Like, a lot of things just went wrong with this particular body soap. I don't know why people like it. Maybe because the fragrance is not as much and it is gentle on the skin. Maybe those two things that has it going on well for it. In my own opinion, it does absolutely nothing. So but maybe Dove has a lot of other body washes that I've not tried, but this creamy bar soap is not it at all. And for a price point of 400 naira at any open market of your choice, it retails for 400 naira. Really, I think maybe that's why they didn't make it to do so much for the skin. Do you understand? But it's for 400 naira. It's just there. Honestly, I can't. The grade is 50%, and I don't even know any skin type that I would recommend to actually try this particular product. You guys know I always talk about skincare products with a lot of passion, but this one did not do it well for me at all. So if I definitely want to get the best out of it, I would use this Dove Creamy Bar first all over my body as pre-cleansing, and then I'll now top up with my shower gel, just so I can feel more pampered. But for me to just use it alone and then leave the bathroom, no way, sis. No way. As in, guys, so now let's talk about the next and the last body wash for today. And that is the Olay Age Defying Vitamin B Body Wash. And you guys already know Olay, they are the masters. Organa. They are the masters. And this particular vitamin B3 body wash has niacinamide, of course, vitamin B, which makes it a brightening body wash. Let's talk about the texture. It's a milky, creamy texture like formulation. It lathers up easily, foams very well, does not give a slippery sensation on your skin when you're done. It's hydrating, moisturizing, just a perfect balance. What else? I would have loved to show you guys a demo, but on this channel we are decent and the girl is engaged. We cannot just be doing anything. Do you understand? So that's basically the reason why I'm not able to actually do a demo for you guys. But this body wash is really good, very hydrating, very moisturizing, especially when you're not even going with another Olay body lotion. It's just perfect for the skin. It is brightening. The one I'm currently using is a vitamin B3 body wash. It's brightening. It's lovely. It has a very beautiful fragrance. It's not too choky, and then it also has a milky, creamy texture that just foams easily when you put it on your loafer. Do you understand? And it gets the cleansing done very well. Like, you will feel like, okay, I've cleansed my skin. And it does that also without making you feel dry like some minutes after. I find out that when I use the Olay Age Defying Vitamin B3 body wash, I usually don't need to use another body lotion at night. Do you understand? I just use it on my body, I do my body mist, and then I go to bed. And I don't wake up feeling starved of moisture or anything. This particular body wash has an ml of 600 ml, and it retails for 4,800 naira. I absolutely love it. Honestly, I think they've done a lot with giving us good volume, and then they matched it with a good price point. It is very affordable. You would absolutely enjoy it. As a matter of fact, the grade is 85%. If you've tried it before, let me know in the comment section. if you've tried any of the Olay body washes before, I think they are doing a very good job. Honestly, guys, they are. So guys, let me know in the comment section, which of these body washes have you tried before? Is it a hit? Is it a miss? Are they all just overhyped? Are they all just overhyped? Let me know in the comment section. The makeup is giving. Honestly, I can't even believe I look this good. The makeup is giving and everything. Let me know in the comment section, which of these body washes have you tried before? Okay, and let me know also in the comment section, which other topic do you want me to cover on this channel. I look forward to talking to you guys in the very next one. Bye.